Hi guys, welcome back to our channel Financiable. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to day trade on MetaTrader 5. To do so, follow some simple steps with me. First of all, open your MetaTrader 5 application, then make sure that you are logged into your account. Then once you have defined strategy, use the order window to place buy or sell order. Monitor your open position and adjust them as you need it basis on your strategy and market condition. Utilize stop loss and take profit orders to manage risks and secure profits. Close your position by placing the opposite order before the end of the trading day. Aim to exit trade when your strategy signals or market conditions align with your profit target or risk management rule. This is how you can day trade on MetaTrader 5. This much for today's video. If you guys find our video helpful, please leave a like and comment. And do not forget to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. I'll see you guys again in our next video. Thank you for watching.